kind of support that the question that I asked initially was, who of you are employed in faculties? My assumption was that there is a number of you that are employed as academic lecturers. What type of support does the Directorate Postgraduate Studies Research and Innovation provide? Number one, the minimum that the teaching and learning component has set for an academic to stand in front of the class is a master's degree. So what it means is, if you are employed as an academic, that is the starting point. So there are staff members that we employ as junior lecturers. This particular directorate has to ensure that support is provided to that particular individual to at least get to the minimum. But obviously the idea is, as an academic, you must at least have a doctoral qualification. Therefore, the directorate also plays a role to ensure that support is provided to academic staff members to get to that particular level. To be a fully fledged academic, you need to be sharing your research to the academic world. Obviously, there's an issue of publication. There's an issue of presenting at academic conferences. The directorate is responsible to provide that particular support. What also happens is postgraduate students also do exactly what I've said to you now. They do write articles, they do present at academic conferences. The directorate is responsible to supporting that. On the name of the directorate, you might assume that this is the directorate that conducts research. It is not. All the directorate does is provide support. Research is conducted at faculties. That's why, at the end of the day, the separation between the two is quite superficial, because everything actually occurs at faculty level. I then heard that there was a question posed to the VC relating to the type of research that we do. The highest level of research that we do at the university is done through what we refer to as research chairs. We have a total of 9 research chairs in the university, and what I heard the question was relating to how applied is the research that we do. Of the 9 chairs that we have, the main type of high-level research the university is doing is in two areas. It's in energy as well as water. So if there's one thing that the university is doing well in terms of high-level research, is in those 2 areas. The 2 chairs that are not operating in water and energy, one is in agrochemy, which talks to how can science improve harvests. So if there are farmers that are farming in particular